ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, also known as Global CA. By global, I mean it's applicable across the world in 180 countries, including India. ACCA is divided into 3 levels, split into 13 papers. The 3 levels, knowledge, skill and professional, can be completed anywhere between a year and a half to 2.5 years on average, depending on your speed. Post ACCA, whether you'd like to work in companies such as the Big Four, Grant Thornton, BDO, or you'd like to keep your opportunities open to go to countries such as UK, Singapore, Dubai, Australia, Canada, we have pathways for you all. At Zell, we are a platinum approved learning provider, the #1 status that the ACCA bestows upon other education institutions. We also have a pool of faculty members, all who are qualified ACCA themselves, working in the top companies in India. And these are the guys who help our students achieve ranks every quarter, whether ranks in India or international ranks. We also have batches which are customized to cater to all your needs, whether you just like to study on weekends, or you'd like in-depth hand-holding training for 4 times a week, or you'd like self-paced training. For any other help that you require on the program, or you need help with placements, or you'd like to sit for a free demo, feel free to visit us on www.zelleducation.com. Reach out to us and we'll help you just like we will help thousands of other students.